Hi everyone,
I'm Sarah.
and I'm Ian, and we are from Creation Drama Studio.
And we're going to be showing you how to play some fun drama games at home. This game is called Emotional Boundaries. You can play this game by yourself or in 2s, 3s or 4s if you like. All you need is a space. That can be outside or inside, it's up to you. And you need to divide that space into 4 boxes. You can do that with some masking tape or something, and all you need to do is put a cross like this on the floor. So you'll have 4 boxes. In each one of those boxes, you will choose an emotion. For example, sad, happy, excited, confused, it's up to you. Then what you do is you're going to create a scene or even a monologue if you're by yourself. To get the idea for that scene, you can ask a family member or a friend if you like. Get them to give you a location or an idea, and you can create that scene around that idea. As you're performing this scene, whenever you take a step into a different box, you have to take on that emotion. So if one of my front boxes was sadness and I stepped into that box, I have to become sad. My character becomes very sad. And then when I move into another box, I become that other emotion. This is how it works. Are we live? We're live? Hi, and welcome to CDS News. I'm your host. I'm Sarah, and today we're going to be telling you all about the news. It's been a very bad day. It's been a very bad day out there, and I'll tell you why. I will tell you why it's been such a bad day. Because it's my birthday, and no one remembered. How silly is that? No one remembered it's my birthday. No one in the entire studio here, my friends, my colleagues, not even my parents at home remembered it's my birthday. But that doesn't, you know what? It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter because I'm live on the news, and it doesn't matter. We're going to head straight into telling you about the weather today. It's sunny, and I love it when it's sunny because I can go to the beach and I can sunbathe, which is my favourite thing to do. Do you like sunbathing? And maybe I could sunbathe by myself because it's my birthday.